Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to color grade Premiere Pro project in DaVinci Resolve. So right now I have this project and I wanna color grade it. So for that, very first thing we need to do is to just go to this file tab. Then you'll see the option for export, and right here we have the option Final Cut Pro XML. So we have to choose this one. Then you need to choose the location, like where you want to save this. I'm just gonna save this on my this folder right here, and I'll just name it something like new XML. Okay, and just click on save. Now at the moment they have saved the file, so we can just close the Premiere Pro and open DaVinci Resolve. Let's click on new project. I'm just gonna name it something like XYZ and click on create. Next, head over to this file section and click on import, and we're gonna click here on timeline. Then choose the file which we have saved. It was in this folder and this is the file. Double click on it. On this window you can leave these settings as it is and just click on OK. Now you can see they have successfully imported the clips of our video which were in the Premiere Pro, and from here we can easily like color grade the clips. So let it load first. So if I go to edit tab, here you can see this was the project. Now in order to color grade the project, for that we need to head to this color tab, and right here you have a couple of options, like you can increase the saturation, decrease the saturation, you can adjust the contrast. It is up to you, whatever changes you want to do you can just do that from here. Like you have graph here, you can just adjust the curve, everything you can just do according to your need. So let's say I want to put it like this, and saturation I want to increase a bit. Okay, this looking good. So yeah, it is up to you, whatever changes you want to do you can just do that. And yeah guys, it is that simple to color grade your Premiere Pro project in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, consider subscribing my YouTube channel. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye bye.